Guys, look, this is a pet place. They make all for the pets to play here. Look, with water. And now I put them here inside. Brinca, Gogo! Brinca! Peraí, filho! Ó! Ó! Pega! Pega! Look. Goliath is a bit afraid. Also, it's nice, I put them here. Que é isso? Hi guys, how are you? Today's video is I'm starting to make my dinner that is gonna be Arabic food, okay? So I don't have tahine. Tahine is a bit expensive here in my country. Tahine, who don't know, is the one that is like the gergeling sesame paste. It's basically like butter, peanut butter. So this one is made with the sesame. So I'll show you how I'm making, and my final dish that I want so much to eat Arabic food. Romarico is not here to cook for me, so look. My first step is to make the sesame oil, sesame paste. So I already put the sesame there, look. This one is the whole one, and this one is already because I I mash, and I'm covering. Look, I'm covering here because while it's still dry, it pump. I have to cover this part, and then of course I put some oil. I don't have olive oil, so I'm using the regular one. And this is our first step for our hummus. That's gonna be my dish today. I need to keep putting the oil until it becomes like a paste. Now it's already creamy. Look, it's already creamy, so I can remove the plastic from the top and I can continue do this. So guys, it will be in this consistency. Look, you not use too much, but it's good in the hummus, so you're gonna keep the rest. You can put in the fridge. It's a paste. Look, of course how much more grain, better. This one I will leave it like this. Maybe later I grain a bit more. So I forgot to buy the regular one, and then you need to leave some hours more in the water with lemon to remove some gas. I don't know what is this. So I bought the ready one. It calls in Brazil grão de bico, but I don't know how it calls in English. I will write down here below. And now I'm gonna prepare the hummus because our tahini is ready. And after this I make some kafta. I have pita bread, but this one is like a wrap. It's not really the pita, but I waited this because I also don't want to exceed too much my calories today. So we're gonna prepare now the hummus. Now I put this grão de bico, né, that I don't know the name, that comes like this, already cooked. I put the hummus, the tahini, sorry. Now I will put 1 lemon, like squeeze the juice, and I will put 1 garlic, but the garlic I gonna cook first. Salt, and then I will show you more. Now I'm gonna put the garlic that is already a bit cooked, 1, and I put the water of the garlic, 3 spoons only. And I will start to mash again.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can...
Okay, so I mix everything here because it's the only container I have that is tall, and it will not, you know, it will not come outside. So look, this is my hummus. I just don't have olive oil, so I put a little bit of regular oil, and this is my hummus. I put a bit of paprika on top and salt, not that much because still gonna have the beef and everything. Now I will make the kafta. Now I will make the kafta. So I take green beef, I put green onion, I put cominho. I will say in Portuguese, and I write down here cominho, black pepper. I put also like Arabic taste. I put cinnamon and onion, the red onion, and garlic. And now I will mix all, salt as well. Now I will mix and I will prepare the kafta. Guys, so it's ready, my kafta. I didn't put egg, I think no need. And then I make this kind of barbecue, and I will put in my oven. I don't want to fry. It will take longer, but it's okay. Guys, I put in the oven like this, so it's better for to eat because I don't want to make it fry. So I put a few minutes more. And it's ready, I think. Guys, good morning from Brazil. Today here in the park, my father went in my house, and we came here with the dogs just to walk around. Elias is here. 3 days that this dog is not going out because his foot from the back, it's a bit, I don't know, he cannot force that much. So long time I don't come here outside, and we are here. I already show you many times this place. This place is nearby my house, but sometimes only that I come here. They already have this kind of chairs, so you can sit. You can bring, I don't know, cooler, something to drink. There in this place have the like a lagoon, artificial one for the kids. Sometimes they come here during the weekends, they run. It's a very good place, very nice place. I just cannot remove them from the guide. Guys, Romarico, it's for who don't know, no? Our channel, who's coming and starting to watch us now. My husband is a Filipino. He's now on the ship, on board. We both work in the ship, but he's working now, and me, I stay home this time. And he's now in Peru. Yesterday he sent me some pictures that he was there, and he ate ceviche. He drinks something from Peru, like some drinks that they have there, for sure pisco sour, and it's very nice. I wish I'm there. He's making the world cruise, and the world cruise is going to many places, including Japan. But this time now he's in the Central America, going to Panama Channel, and after this he'll cross to Australia, New Zealand, and then Japan. Oi? Tem que ver. This is my father. Pai, dá tchau pro meu canal em inglês. This is my father. Good evening.
Good evening.
And we are here. We're going to eat something like chips and.
Daqui, ó. Vou pegar do lado aqui, tá?
Tá.
Caído, né?
Não, não faz mal.
Não?
Não. Look, não, não dá. Tem que ser no meu pé daí. Eu vou botar no meu pé. Botar no meu pé.
Ah, isso. Ah, não, é claro.
Look, guys.
Isso, boa ideia. Aí ele também não escapa, né?
É. Guys, this dog, it's like famous. Everyone who pass by love him. I don't know. Is he beautiful for you? Is he handsome? Goliath! Look at his eyes. Eyes! Go, go! We bought water for him. My father going to pick up the like a glass for him to drink. And that's it. This is my day, Friday today, here. And I miss my husband here, guys. I'm gonna meet my cousins here in the downtown center of Brazil, because today officially starts the carnival. And I will show you how is the carnival here in the center. Look, this is a street carnival. Agora, vai.
Hi guys, I'm here in Florianópolis.
15.
We go with cheese pernil, Brazilian food.
Thank you. In front of the apartment, I'm waiting for my father, and then we are going to the beach. This is for the sunblock. It's like an umbrella and my chair, and maybe we're gonna spend the day there because the cousins of my father lives there, so we're gonna stay maybe for until the whole afternoon, maybe making barbecue or fish something, and I'm waiting them. And today the day is gonna be good because I don't like to go to the beach, you guys know, but today I will go.
Olha que vista.
É lindo, né?
Meu Deus, é.
Meu Deus, cara, olha.
É uma natureza que Deus deu, viu?
É a lagoa lá embaixo que pescava, ó.
Eu amo isso, amo.
Yahoo! This is my brother-in-law. This is my sister. Say hi. Vai, pai, vai! Vai, pai! Não, não, ao contrário! Guys, now we came here in the farm of my father's family. Look, we're in the middle of the forest. Look how beautiful here. And we are here in this house that is from my father's side.
Siriu? É, tivemos Siriu lá no Reizinho, no Rio.
Olha que bobinho. Pai. E olha.
Isso aí, eu acho que eles entraram aqui embaixo, ele aí veio pra cá, começou a ficar por aqui.
Leva pra ti, maninha. Tu não quer um gatinho? Leva, eles são bem gostosos.
Não sai mais.
O pai não quer levar um gatinho pra ti?
Eu não quero um gatinho.
Cheiroso. Tá com cheiro de bebê.
Filhote, né, Nivaldo? É filhote, né?
Esse aqui.
É. Que bonitinho, cara. E ó,
Look,
ele é...
for to make fire.
É. Ele era bonitinho, ó. É, bebê. Era 3, aí a Santa E eu fui um que deu debaixo do fogão, a última vez que eu tive aqui, não, né? E que tinha 3 debaixo do fogão, que criou ali. É esse? Olha que beleza. Olha aqui, ó. Tudo assim, ó. É cheio de coisa assim, é mesmo. E não confere o lugar que tu acha, não. Nossa. Meu.
Eu. Obrigada. Dela.
Eu vou te comer meu beijo aqui. Hoje já tô cheio. Falou.
Hi guys, I just want to finalize the vlog. So I went this weekend, spent this weekend with my father. I a bit burned, look, and the dogs stay home. Romarico is still on board, as you know. Next week I'm gonna have some new videos for you, so I hope you stay with me. I try to, you know, record different kind of videos, not only vlogs. Okay, so thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for these videos here, and leave your questions that I'm gonna answer everything. Bye bye.